warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today we will about conversation with my friend. My name is Azara Atakumisa.
My name is Kasih Ramadhani.
My name is Nesa Aulia.
We from class 10 Office Administration 4. IPWC.
Finance and accounting science. Do you guys have a study plan?
I have started studying, but I'm not sure how you schedule everything.
So I'm here. I've been focusing on next book and next to make sure on English too.
How about we prep? Is that study schedule together? We can break it down by subject.
That's good idea. We can focus on one subject per day, like math on Monday and English Tuesday.
Yes, and we can please focus hard to make sure we're understanding very clearly.
A great let's meet in the library tomorrow and work on his plan study. A great let's meet in the library tomorrow and work on this plan together.
Sounds great. I'm sure we all be better prepared. You the winner, you the finalist this week.
Definitely, that is will have an try on.
Thank you.